Hey y'all, yes, are y'all peeping it? Your girl been playing in makeup tonight, glitter at that. So if you all want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Today is gonna be a little different. I'm actually not gonna do a wig review, but I did want to do a brief unboxing sort of. I received 2 packages. The first package was from Wink and Mink, okay? And I found this company on Instagram, and as you guys know, I am really new to makeup, so I decided that I wanted to try some loose glitters and a pair of her eyelashes. So this is how the loose glitter come. So it came in like a little stack, and she had a variety of them in different like shades. And this particular one is called Mixed Vibes, and it was $12. And then her lashes come packaged like this, and they are 3D mink lashes. And the pair I have on is called Sassy, and I really like them. And so my look today I created using this blue glitter right here. And y'all, it's very messy. And it could be because I really don't know like what I'm doing. So if you all have some suggestions for me as to like how to apply the glitter correctly, that would be awesome, because honey, I was like, what am I kind of got it together. So this is what I came up with. So what I did was I used a mixture of eyeshadows from the Juvia's Magic Mini Palette. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you, I used a plethora of colors. I started with this one, then I moved over to this one. No, I did this one, and then I messed with this green, and then this blue. So like I mixed all of those as a base, and then I went in with this yellow, and then I put this yellow like right up under my brow bone. Y'all, I'm still learning. I be trying to figure out which color is a good transition shade and all of that. So sometimes I play with my looks, and sometimes they come out and sometimes they don't. So this is the look that I came up with today. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment. And again, the packaging came in like this little pink bubble wrap, which I thought was really cute. And like I said, I will leave all of her the Instagram link down below, just in case you guys are interested. And this is, I think it's called Wink and Mink is what they are called. And so yeah, I just really wanted to share that. So my next thing I wanted to talk about is one of my fellow YouTubers. I support her 100. Like a lot of the little tips that I get regarding some of my makeup actually come from watching her videos. And I'm sorry sis if I screw up your name, but it's Saniko, I think that's how you say it, but I will leave her Instagram handle, Instagram and her YouTube handle somewhere on the screen for you guys. But she sent me a little surprise package today, y'all, and I was so excited because that is the first time like a YouTuber has ever like reached out, and it was just so weird. And I know that she does this like randomly, but she just reached out one day. It was just like, sis, give me your address. And I was, you know, I'm like, okay. But I really thought it was just to send me like a Christmas card or something, you know, because it was the holiday. But lo and behold, I got a package. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. This diva is awesome. She does a lot of makeup looks, like, and she be slaying. She review a lot of different foundations and things of that nature. So again, I will leave all of her information down below so you guys can go check her out and subscribe while you over there and let her know that Miss Q sent. So the first thing in my little baggie is she just got me some little hand soap, which a sister always need, especially when I be in here recording, because I'm constantly wiping my hands off, you know, for messing with the makeup and the eyeshadows and all of that. Then she sent me like a Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and it's called Crown of My Canopy. And that look really, 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 really pretty. And like I said, I'm getting into all of this, so y'all know I was like geeked, right? She also sent me the Wet n Wild blush brush. Okay, and this is from Wet n Wild. I'm in heaven. Then I got some Soothing Gel Repair Skin. Y'all, I am gonna be hydrating and moisturizing my skin. Y'all don't even know, like I was needing some of this stuff. The anti-aging gel, like I thought that this stuff was so cool. And again, sis, thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. She sent me another highlighter brush, so hey, yes. Let's see what else I got. Some makeup wipes. And y'all, I needed some because I ran out and I was using my grandbaby wipes, you know. And she sent me some African black soap. Okay. And it's from the Shea Moisture line. And then I just got some Arctic White Cocoa Mix. And y'all, it's been cold in Arizona, so I would definitely be drinking this right after this video. So I just want to thank my sis, Saniko. Again, if I'm saying your name wrong, I do apologize, but y'all, please go check her channel out because her makeup is bomb. Oh, and she do couponing, y'all don't understand. Like, she coupon, if y'all follow her, if you in her area, like she can hook you up with some nice coupon deals and all of that. Like, I really want to get into the couponing thing, you know, especially now since I'm into makeup, you know. So I'm like, yes, I be all up on her channel, like, yep, because see, I'm learning, jotting down because I want to get like that so I could get me some of this makeup on the low, you know what I'm saying, because it can be a little pricey. But yeah, like I said, this was just a short video because I wanted to thank my sis, and I just wanted to show you guys this glitter eyeshadow and these eyelashes that I got from Tink. I think it's Thai Mink and Thai Wink and Mink is the name of it. So I wanted to show you guys that, and if you just stay tuned, I will show you the actual video of me applying everything. So let's get right to it. Y'all, I was confused.